Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove FRP on ITEL A16 Plus. This is a touch phone, Android touch phone, and this phone I tried the other. When I used my platform detector, it told me it's a Spectrum SPD, and I used Miracle 2 Spectrum module version 2.07. I selected CPU version as SEC 7731E base, and module type SEC 7731EMC to GBRF. Identified the phone, as you can see here. Power off device, press hold button key, insert cable, USB cable. Wait. Device connected, as you can see, SPD, and it identified it. If we go to next, this phone was brought to me because it was hard reset using hands by pressing power volume down, and the user was stuck on FRP, so there's nothing I can do to save user data. So what I did, I went to service and selected factory reset, and I factory reset it. As you can see, wiped user data, okay, wipe cache, okay, wipe FRP, okay, and the phone was removed FRP and it's back to normal. Remember to be clicking on the subscribe button and share my videos, and remember also to follow instructions as I'm using to avoid any other problems.